Just 3 days ago, in a dramatic turn of events, the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, led by Professor Welshman N. Cube, clinched a significant victory. They secured the opposition party's share of government funds under the Political Parties Finance Act. Now, if you're wondering what this act is, it's a law that allocates government funding to political parties based on their representation in Parliament. But here's where it gets spicy. The CCC isn't just one unified bloc. Oh no, it's splintered into multiple factions, each claiming to be the legitimate leader of the opposition. For months, these factions have been locked in a fierce battle, lobbying the Justice, Legal, and Parliamentary Affairs Minister to back their claims. Enter Professor Ncube's faction. Last week, they were officially recognized as the bona fide recipients of the funds. How, you ask? Well, Senator Zvaendwa Tshabangu, a key player from Ncube's team, was appointed as the leader of the opposition in Parliament. This appointment was a game changer. It wasn't just a title, it was the golden ticket to the funding they had been fighting over. Following this, the Speaker of the National Assembly took steps that solidified Ncube's faction's position by revising the appointments of CCC legislators to various parliamentary committees, effectively sidelining rival factions. You might think this resolves everything, right? But no, the plot thickens. Supporters of the other factions are not backing down, and the political drama continues to unfold. Each faction's claim to legitimacy and the subsequent financial resources is crucial, not just for political maneuvering, but for real, on-the-ground political activities. So what does this mean for Zimbabwe's political landscape? It's a vivid reminder of how political funding can both stabilize and stir up factional tensions within parties. And as for the future, only time will tell how these dynamics will influence the broader political narratives in Zimbabwe. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this overview interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into global politics. Until next time, keep asking questions and seeking the truth.